Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video, an update on Aptos and the APT coin. Wanted to cover it. We had quite a big bearish breakout and altogether we just had quite a big drop, crash, whatever you want to call it, in the market. So I wanted to update you on that, give you my thoughts based on the fundamentals and the technicals on where we're heading. We'll do a quick recap of my last analysis and just everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. I do want to say that if you want to if you want to receive daily trading signals, such as a sell order from this level right here, which we gave out Wednesday the 1st, then check out the links down in the description and in the pinned comment. There are instructions in the Telegram group and the Discord group on how to join. But let's get right into it. So last analysis, what I said is that we would probably from this level right here, it was a very strong resistance level. You had these EMAs, the 382 fib. So what I expected is that from this level, we would actually continue dropping down, which we did. Initially we actually found quite a lot of support around 12.6 and stuff. So altogether, Aptos actually had quite some support. You can also see that we had this trend line right here. We respected that. So there was some bullish momentum again. But then last night happened, at least for me. Bearish momentum in the markets, I think caused by fundamentals, so regulation, inflation, and other negative news about crypto, and that made us drop down below that level. It also, like, you have multiple key levels right here in this area. So sometimes what I like to do is just delete them all and just do something like this. Here you can see this is one of the levels. There's resistance here, and we broke down below that. So that's the first bearish breakout. Apart from that, because we have confirmed this trend line, that was also a bearish breakout. So now, as you can see, there's just a whole load of resistance at this level between $12 and 12.6, a huge area of resistance. Altogether, if you zoom out, you can also see that Aptos has been bearish since the 2nd of February. It's been one of the most bearish cryptos in the top 100 in February. So I think we'll continue this bearish momentum. Now, I mean, right now we found support at $11 and at level between 11 and 11.5. The title or the thumbnail is probably going to be like, are we going to drop down to $10? I think eventually yes, because I think we'll continue this bearish momentum in the entire market. So I think that's also why it kind of will, that Aptos will follow that as well. But I'm on the very short term, I'm actually not that bearish on Aptos, even though there's a lot of resistance. I think that, all right, we're not going to break above this resistance. All right, we'll find resistance at 12.2. And then even if we get higher, we'll find resistance at 12.5. But I do think that $11 can, 11 and kind of all the way up to 11.6 can provide us with enough support to at least consolidate here a little bit. And while we're consolidating here, there's potential for good news to come out. I mean, I'm not sure when we get new inflation rates. I'm not sure if I can see that already. I don't think so, but at some point we're going to get some big events again, like the unemployment rate. That's going to be important next week. So those types of things can happen, and if they're bullish for the monetary policy, if they're bullish for crypto, we can actually continue going up. But for right now, the fundamentals seem to be more heading towards something like this. But as I said, I think $11, 11.6 is a strong enough support to at least let us consolidate here for a little bit. So even though I am, if you zoom out for Aptos, I'm quite bearish on it. On the short term, I actually think we can consolidate. Do I think we can trend up? No, not without manipulation or something. But all right, I'll keep you updated on that. For now, this is my take on Aptos. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.